Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete teams in Figma. Whether you're cleaning up old projects or reorganizing your workspace, knowing how to remove teams you no longer need can help keep your Figma dashboard tidy and efficient. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your Figma application. Once it loads up, you'll be greeted by your dashboard where all your files and teams are displayed. This is your main hub for everything Figma related, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Now on the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of your teams. Click on the team name to expand your options, then choose the specific team you want to delete. This step is important because it ensures you're selecting the correct team, especially if you have multiple teams in your workspace. Make sure you're absolutely certain about which team you want to remove before proceeding further. Once you've selected the team, you'll notice your team name displayed prominently. Look for the small arrow down icon beside it and click on that. This will open a drop-down menu with various team management options. From this menu, select Delete. This is where you'll initiate the deletion process, so be prepared to confirm your choice in the next step. Figma takes team deletion seriously to prevent accidental removals, so you'll now be prompted to type in your team name to confirm that you really want to delete it. This verification step is crucial because deleting a team is permanent and cannot be undone. Carefully type in the exact name of your team in the field provided. Make sure there are no typos or extra spaces, as the name must match exactly for the deletion to proceed. After you've typed in the team name correctly, look for the button labeled Delete Team and click it. Once you do this, Figma will process your request and permanently remove the team from your workspace. Give it a moment to complete the deletion and the team will disappear from your dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your team in Figma, freeing up space and keeping your workspace organized exactly the way you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.